Welcome to our comparison of the EUHOMY and Aeitto ice makers. Today, we will explore two fantastic countertop ice machines that promise convenience and efficiency for your home or outdoor adventures. Let's dive into their features and see which one stands out. When it comes to price, the EUHOMY ice maker is significantly more affordable at just $89.99, making it a great option for budget-conscious buyers. In contrast, the Aeitto ice makers come with a higher price tag of $199.99, reflecting its additional features and sleek design. Let's see if the price difference is justified by the features offered. The EUHOMY ice maker produces a single size of bullet-shaped ice, which is perfect for most beverages. However, the Aeitto ice makers offer the versatility of two different ice cube sizes, allowing users to choose between small and large cubes depending on their needs. This feature can be particularly useful for parties or gatherings where different drinks require different ice sizes. In terms of design, the EUHOMY ice maker features a durable stainless steel finish that gives it a modern look, while the Aeitto ice makers boast a sleek design with dual viewing windows that allow you to monitor ice production easily. Both machines are portable and designed for convenience, but the Aeitto's aesthetic appeal may attract those looking for a stylish addition to their kitchen. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and Aeitto ice makers have their unique strengths. The EUHOMY offers affordability and a reliable performance, while the Aeitto provides additional features and a modern design. Depending on your needs and budget, either could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.